How to generate perfect 16:9 thumbnails in Gemini. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate 16:9 images using Google Gemini, even though Gemini usually ignores the aspect ratio you request. Let's get into this. First, write your prompt normally. For example, you could say, generate a horse eating grass. Then add one extra instruction in the prompt. Use the picture as the reference for the final aspect ratio. Now here's the important part. You must upload a reference image that already has the aspect ratio you want. For example, if you want a 16:9 landscape image, upload a 16:9 picture along with your prompt. Gemini will then use that image as a guide when generating the final result. After uploading the reference image, click Tools, select Create Images, and send the prompt. Within a few seconds, Gemini will generate the image, and this time it will follow the correct landscape aspect ratio instead of producing a square image. And that's the simple trick to generate 16:9 images in Gemini. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.